Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the most simple, enjoyable, and natural way. You don't have to worry about complicated grammar or boring textbooks. Just listen carefully and watch this video several times. That's all you need to start improving your English while learning about real American traditions. Today's video is about one of the most patriotic and festive holidays in the United States, the 4th of July, also known as Independence Day. You've probably seen fireworks, flags, and barbecues, but what does the 4th of July really mean to Americans? Let's explore the history, traditions, and meaning of this special day. The story begins on July 4th, 1776, when the 13 American colonies, which were under British rule, decided to declare their independence from the British Empire. That day, the Declaration of Independence was officially adopted. It was written by Thomas Jefferson and signed by representatives from the colonies. This document didn't just say they wanted to be free. It explained why they believed they had the right to break away and create a new country. At the heart of the Declaration is the idea that all people are created equal and have certain rights, like life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. These ideas helped shape not only the United States, but also inspired freedom movements around the world. Today, the 4th of July is a celebration of freedom, democracy, and national pride. People all across the U.S. celebrate with fireworks, parades, concerts, and family barbecues. It's a day when American flags are everywhere. People wear red, white, and blue, and communities come together to enjoy the summer and honor their country's history. One of the most exciting parts of the day is the fireworks show. Cities and towns organize large displays that light up the sky with color and sound. It's a tradition that dates back to the very first Independence Day celebration, when people fired cannons and guns to mark the moment. Americans also celebrate with music, patriotic songs, and readings of the Declaration of Independence. It's not just about fun. It's a time to reflect on the values the country was built on and to think about the work that still needs to be done to ensure freedom and equality for all. Thank you so much for staying until the end of this video. If you enjoyed learning about what the 4th of July really means, don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video. It's the perfect chance to review what you've learned and continue improving your English and cultural understanding. Please give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and keep creating better content for you. See you in the next adventure.